how to change presenter view settings on your Microsoft PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft PowerPoint and then you need to head over to slideshow. There you'll find presenter view, tap on it, and now here you can go to the pencil icon, and then you can change settings such as laser pointer, pen, highlighter, eraser. You can choose the color, you can use the magnifying glass. You can change other settings such as add subtitles, you can record a video, or you can just choose to like not record video. So you can go to the three dots and then you can change other settings as well. So this is how you change presenter view settings on your Microsoft PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.